Hi everyone, Doug from the Amazon Quick team here. With the recent launch of the Amazon Quick desktop application, I wanted to take some time to show everyone how I use it every single day. I typically start my day by asking about data. Here, I ask about new opportunities from a dashboard that I had created. You can see that dashboard exists in my Doug's day-to-day space. Quick will find the right asset for me and answer my question. When I look at the marble opportunity, I can see that Jesse is the owner. I want to create a calendar invite for Jesse and I to talk about this opportunity next week. Just like a real assistant, Quick can check both of our calendars, find the best slot that works for both of us, and set up an invite for me. It looks like 9 a.m. next week works best. Now that the meeting is scheduled, I want to make sure I am prepared for the conversation. Quick can help me with that as well. I'm going to give Quick a set of tasks it can tackle concurrently. First, I want to create a PowerPoint summarizing the information from the spend dashboard. Second, I wanted to pull any relevant info from my newsfeed, as well as information from the sales plan that's stored on my OneDrive. And once that is ready, I want Quick to Slack that information to Jesse. While Quick is working, you may see an error or two. Quick will typically try a few different ways to accomplish a task and correct itself if something goes wrong. These type of tasks generally take a few minutes. I'm waiting so that everyone here can see it. However, if I'd like, I can hit the button at the bottom and send it to my tasks list and come back later when it's finished. You will see that Quick is leveraging various connectors as well as skills. Skills are a reusable set of instructions that teaches Quick how to perform a specific type of task, almost like a recipe. Now that my Slack message and PowerPoint are ready, let's take a look. First, let's review the PowerPoint. Since Quick has access to my local storage, it built the PowerPoint and dropped it in my Downloads folder like I asked. You can see each slide is pulled from various pieces of information from the AWS Spend dashboard in my space. Quick also has available extensions. I can use it right here in the PowerPoint. Here I want to change the theme of the presentation to align more closely with Amazon design standards. And just like normal Quick, the agent will understand my request and make the relevant changes. Now that the slides are updated, Quick will give me a summary of what has changed. I'll simply hit save and go back to the Quick desktop app. Now let's take a look at that Slack message. You can see it summarized my newsfeed as well as the sales plan for Marble Company. If I'm satisfied, I just hit send. Lastly, let's add that PowerPoint to my Outlook invite to Jesse. And once that's done, I'm prepared for the meeting. Having Quick handle these activities for me saves me an enormous amount of time. But even more powerful is being able to schedule these type of activities without me even being involved. As a fun example, I thought I could have Quick scrape the NBA website to give me the scores from the playoffs. I will then have Quick upload that CSV to Google Sheets, and I'll use that in Quick's site to build a dashboard. You can see I'm directing Quick to use the Zapier MCP server. I have a few different applications connected there for my personal use. This is what makes the Quick desktop app really powerful. All the various applications I use throughout the day exist in one single place, giving me agentic capabilities across all of them. You can see in my prompt, I didn't tell Quick to create the scheduled task for me right away. I wanted to see how it tackles this challenge first, and then once I'm satisfied with that process, I will then tell Quick to create that scheduled task for me on a recurring basis. As you can see, Quick will prompt me a few times along the way, asking for my permission to run Python in the background, which it will use in the UI agent and the creation of the CSV. Quick will give me a preview of the CSV along the way. Once I think it looks good, it can continue to loading that to Google Sheets. Once the process is complete, Quick will give me some statistics about the data captured and give me some follow-up options. Here I will select a scheduled task. Quick will even evaluate the steps it took the first time around and give me some more efficient options. But I will just select UI agent. Once the setup is complete, I can navigate to the top right and take a look at my scheduled tasks. When I open up the NBA schedule updater, I can take a look at the capabilities that are used as well as the prompt. And here's the dashboard I built for the playoffs so far. And just like every other asset in Quick, it's available in chat so that I can ask questions about it. Here you can see the answer. Quick can also make you more efficient when managing your day. Let's take a look. I'll start by heading up to My Activity feed. On the left, I have my messages from email and Slack, and on the right, my calendar. Quick has prioritized my messages based on importance from the context it knows about my everyday interactions. For my calendar items, it will give me proactive insights and next steps. In this example, Quick will help me prepare for a critical meeting. Similar to the previous example, Quick will search through all of my resources, find the ones that are relevant, and create the summary for me. Now, the reason that Quick can give me such relevant, proactive insights is because it understands my day-to-day life. This is my context. It's a knowledge graph that's personal to me. It contains the different people, projects, decisions, meetings, and even documents that I deal with every single day. To understand this further, I can search for various people or documents, or browse through the different categories to understand how they relate to each other. Okay, that's it for me. Thanks for listening, everyone. If you're interested, head over to aws.amazon.com and search for Amazon Quick.